Myself Biresh Shroff, 68 years of age. I am from Kolkata, Bhavani. I know about this institute since last 20-25 years. I have heard about it, but I did not get any chance or opportunity to come. Or rather, you can say I did not require that opportunity. And from my friends, my relatives, they keep on coming over here and seeing their progress or seeing their development. I too thought that I should go to nature cure for a short period, 7 days period. As there are certain problems with my wife. She has lost 5 to 7 kgs in 1 month, and she does not feel like eating anything. She does not hardly takes a few grains of thing. So after going through medical treatment, there has been no development. And there has been no diagnosis also that she is having anything of that sort, that she cannot. Then someone suggested you go for a naturopathy. Over there the systems are very good, and if you can adapt to those systems, there will be changes in her. There are certain changes in her. She has started taking some food. She is feeling relaxed. She is mixing with people. Otherwise she was not mixing. She was a cornered lady in the house. Now she is mixing with people. She is responding to the treatment. She is eating gradually. I think anybody above 45, 50 years of age who is health conscious or who needs advice and who does not want to be in the trap of doctors, medical doctors, they should come over here. They will obviously feel some changes. They will slowly, there can't be a magic over here. Slowly they will feel some certain changes. And if they can adapt to their system, their lifestyle will be changed.